Hello, students. In Geography Chapter 2, Land, Soil, Water, Natural Vegetation, and Wildlife Resources, I will teach you about water and conservation of water. Water is essential for every living organism. It is very important renewable resources. It is very important renewable resource. Do you know that our planet Earth is known as blue planet because 97.3% of water is present on Earth in seas and oceans. But we cannot use this water as it is saline, which means it is salty. Only 2.7% of water is fresh water. Out of this, 70% is locked up in ice caps and glaciers in Antarctica. You can find glaciers in Himalayas also. This means only 1% of water is available for use. This we can find in rivers, lakes, and as water vapor in the atmosphere. So, we can find fresh water in lakes, ponds, streams, rivers, and wetlands. Water is located on Earth in oceans, lakes, springs, rivers, streams, ponds, waterfalls, and groundwater. But only 1% of water is used for drinking. It is also used for industrial purpose and for agriculture. As the population is increasing and industrial growth advances, clean drinking water is becoming scarce, which means that we are using the water faster than the nature can replenish it. And this is leading to water crisis in the whole world. Activities like wasting water, using chemicals in agriculture, and throwing garbage in water resources, we are polluting the water resources. So, now how can we conserve or save water, which is a very important resource? The most important step is to do water harvesting, which means saving rainwater. We can use wastewater by treating it and reusing it. Nowadays, people are being educated about this method to see that there is minimum wastage Nowadays, people are being educated about this method to see that there is minimum wastage and optimum more use of water. So, as to save water, we must stop wasting water. Avoid using showers for bathing. Use a bucket instead. Because in shower we waste 100 liters of water and in bucket we use only 18 liters of water for bathing. Turn off the tap when not in use. Turn off while brushing. You can shorten your shower also. Switch to a watering can. Stop the leakage of the taps if they are leaking. So, students, to save our planet, we must save water wisely. We must use water wisely and save water. Students, you can educate people in saving water and stop them from wasting water. So, save every drop of water and save the world.